Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the Google Pixel 4 XL. So first let's go and I'm going to turn off the screen. And before you begin, you need to have a SIM pin. So get yourself a SIM pin. Okay, so get this SIM pin and get your nano SIM card ready. So it needs to have a nano SIM card. So get your SIM card ready. And with your SIM pin, the SIM tray is on the left hand side of the device, right here. So you want to insert the SIM pin into this small hole right here. So I'm going to turn around. If you're a right hand person, you want to flip your phone around. And then simply just push it in and eject. Remove the SIM tray out. So pull out the SIM tray. And then we're going to place the SIM card up. So have the metal contact facing up. And it should sit into the SIM tray like this. And then we're going to insert the plastic SIM tray into the device like this. And push it all the way in. Once it is inserted, if this is your brand new SIM card, you will need to activate the SIM card. If the SIM card has already been set up, then you can use it straight away. So depending on your SIM card, if it has been activated or not. If not, you will need to activate the SIM card before you can use it. And that's it. That is how you can insert or remove a SIM card. To remove the SIM card, all you have to do is just insert the SIM pin and push it all the way in. Then once the SIM tray pops out, just pull out the SIM tray and remove the SIM card and put the empty SIM tray back into the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.